Hey, what is going on, guys? Edward here, back with another video. Thank you so much for being here again. Today, Friday, the first day of the month, starting July already. Markets still crashing. Well, today was kind of consolidating, but you know the drill. This is what we did this morning. And by the way, I wanted to show you here that I actually did share this this thing on the free group this morning. This is what I did. Let me show you here. This was the picture in the morning. I was saying potential scenario on Nasdaq. Remember, it's Friday, so markets might be slow and ranging. Also, it's July 1st, so it might be slow, right? So this was the setup, right? I spotted an order block and I spotted like the price was ranging. I was actually accumulating. And this area right here on the top was a little liquidity zone right here in this area, which means there are a lot of stop losses right here for the people who are looking for sales in this area. And in this area above this resistance, there are a bunch of stop losses. So this is a liquidity zone, right? So what happened in this liquidity zone, you see, and I sent a picture when the market was somewhere in here below. So I was saying, okay, market most likely will go up. Look, I draw the actual line. So I was expecting that movement and exactly did that movement like that. So now what are you seeing? You're seeing that the bounce on this 15-minute order block right here, right? Most likely, let's see if it's going to come back up. It's ranging. It's starting to range right now, but it was a nice, accurate, and pretty much like a sniper entry on this one. Sniper entry, it wasn't, because the stop loss, it wasn't like this. That would have been a sniper. But I'm very happy with this entry, just like that. Very, very, very happy with this one in particular, and more happy because I happen to share it also on the free group. So there was another, I believe, was it on? If you missed this entry, look at right here, just by going on a 1 minute. There was another order block created right here, right? Another order block, which could give you a much tighter stop loss. And the TP, let's say, it would have been, oh, hold on. It would have been to the bottom of this order block, right? I didn't want it to aim lower because first, I know it's Friday. I don't want to go too far, right? It was a 1 to what? 1 to 6? 1 to 6 risk to reward, so that's fine. As I mentioned, it's Friday. I know market will most likely be ranging. It's the first of the month as well. So, hey, this was a 205 pips. That's it. Beautiful. Right here on this nice drop. As I mentioned, on a 1 minute, nice order block also right there. Formation, the price drop, get back, activated the order block, and then sell. But I didn't get in on this one. It's just to let you know what happened after the price just barely touched it. Look at on the 1 minute. The New York, after the New York Stock Exchange opened, the price was pushing. Let's see, let me show you here, 930, 930, 930. This is when it opened. New York Stock Exchange opened right here. Then it went down, started climbing up, and then all of a sudden just spiked up. Just boom, activated that thing. Just literally just did that. Just barely went into drawdown right there. Boom, activated, and then just came crashing down in like what, 45 minutes? Just how many 15-minute candles it hit the TP. So we have 1, 2, 3. So 45 minutes to hit and smash the take profit. Okay, again, accumulation. What we're seeing here is accumulation. This order block was spotted on a 30-minute time frame. Okay, you see a nice clean drop right here, and the price got back into this little range, this resistance, this support, I'm sorry, and this resistance. Price went down, nice clean drop, then it started going down right here, stopped at the bottom, potential 15-minute, remember, 15-minute order block right there. Started consolidating, it started slowing down. This was Asian session. See, yeah, this was Asian session when it was going down. Then London session, 3 in the morning. London session started, boom, it pushed up, pulled back, and then it was, it was on the actual session My favorite session is right here. So this is when I woke up. I was watching. I needed to do a few things. So I sent the actual picture to the team when the market was somewhere around here. And then boom. So beautiful, beautiful formation, beautiful take profit, and happy that I was able to share it on the free group. So if you're interested, just go check it out on the description below. You will find the link for my Telegram group. Now let's go to the other entries I did also, and I sent it to the VIP. However, look at the little tricky thing it did. I did enter on the 3 of them. I did enter on Nasdaq, US 30, and S&P 500. I did place sell limit orders on this one, and I will show you here on the VIP. And I will also show you that I re-entered. Even though I got stopped out, I re-entered. And now I will show you something that is very important to understand as well. This were the 3 potential. Look at this. So this was the US 30, right? Again, look at that formation. The market is creating liquidity at the top and also liquidity at the bottom. So I was expecting, because I know we're in a downtrend, I would rather be looking for that particular sale than be looking for maybe a potential buy right here, which was also kind of makes sense. This buy, if you would have made this entry, for example, on US 30, let's see, is it US 30? Yeah. If it was on a 15-minute, look at this. There was an order block right here. And that order block would have actually reached the previous order block on the top. So yes, maybe the buy would have made sense today as well. So that's what happened. But let me show you again here. So nice. As I mentioned, the price creates liquidity. Every time the price is consolidating, it's moving sideways, it's accumulating, money on top right here, on top of the resistance and below the support, right? So it's very simple for the markets, for the banks, the institutions to just buy. Boom, let's go ahead and buy all the way to the top, activate the sell, and boom, and drop. This is what they did. Right there, you see that, and on the order block on a 30-minute time frame, look at this, very important. When you spot an order block, you are supposed to be covering the entire candle, the entire previous candle, right? Even including the week, right? So previous candle before the drop. You are supposed to be doing that. But when you don't do it, if you think that, okay, maybe that week is too big, I'm going to ignore that. I want to just highlight this thing. If you want to do it, good. It's up to you, because sometimes it will do it. Sometimes we'll respect just the body. We'll pay attention just to the body of the candle. But some other times, it will do this. So yes, I actually put my stop loss right there. If I would have placed this thing, I would have not got stopped out. But of course, my stop loss would have been a lot bigger, right? So my risk to reward would have changed. I still believe this thing will continue dropping, to be honest, because as I mentioned, we are bearish. There are not good news, so I don't think so. I don't see the market going up. To be honest, I don't see the market going up. If anything, this will continue crashing, and I'm pretty sure this thing will just continue crashing and maybe get into the 3,000 very, very soon. I don't know if it's going to happen today, but I'm sure it will happen anytime soon, right? We do have that little support now here at the bottom. Let's see what's going to happen. I don't think it's going to happen today, maybe. I don't know. But it was a nice setup, okay? Boom, you got that consolidation. Price went down a little bit, creating, it's accumulating, right? Then goes up, activates the entry, boom, and it went down. So this was a nice take profit, and I did re-enter. Look, and S&P 500 did the same thing. S&P, I sent it when the market was here. It was pretty much the 3 of them were doing the same thing. So that's why I decided to jump in on the 3 of them. Normally, I might just go with one. Like I would enter on Nasdaq or just on US 30 or S&P if I see something, really nice. But today, the 3 of them were showing the same thing. So I was like, oh shit, baby, I'm gonna jump in on this one. So it did exactly the same thing. Also stopped me out. S&P 500 also stopped me out. You see, but I re-entered, and I will show you that I did re-enter because I did send the message. These are all limit orders. Let's see what's gonna happen this morning. Okay, this is a prediction in gold. I got stopped out. Right, this is when I got stopped out. Let's see. Re-enter. Re-enter on S&P 500 and US 30. By that time, I was being stopped out, so I re-entered. So yes, I took that little L, but after that, the market just went down. You can see the pictures there. Beautiful. So that is pretty much it, guys. It's very sometimes it can get very complicated. I know to be able to spot this type of things can be a little tricky sometimes, because you will find some other order blocks, not just one or two, the ones key. In fact, there are some indicators out there that you can use. Let me see. Order blocks. Experimental. I think I was using something like this at the beginning. So it gave you an order block. What? To sell? Yeah, I don't get this. I really don't get this type of indicators. I know there's some of this that you see. My order block was not spotted. Let's see, 15 minute. Okay, maybe 15 minute. Spotted the order block. 45 minute. Order block here at the top. Could have been, but I don't know. That's weird. So I don't know. I don't know if you want to use indicators. I really don't know if you want to use that, because it can get you more confused. Just pay attention to, just a nice clean drop. If you see a nice, for example, right here, it was a nice clean drop. I'm not gonna lie, this could have been a nice order block right here, but it was just an early sell, because if you see the big picture, what they were aiming to do is to sell here. This is an early sell, so it would, you were just inside this range, this consolidation. So maybe right here, if you spot this, or you think that's the order block, you see what's happening. It's an early sell, and right here there's still liquidity. The market is not ready to go down yet, right? At least the institutions, they won't be selling just yet. They will wait. They will push up. Just make sure to take a look at the top to see if there's something in there much clearer. See, nice clean drop right there above this accumulation. So hey, the market will just spike up, do a little trap, pretending it's going up, wiping everyone out here, and then let's go down. All right, but that's basically it. If you guys are interested on learning what I'm doing, right, I recommend you just go check out my previous videos. I've been posting on order blocks. I've been using this now very often. I decided to include it also on my bundle, on my course. If you want to check out my website, teamprofitsenglish.com, you will see that I'm offering a 20% discount on my course. The entire bundle comes with my course, a mentorship, and a VIP signal group for life. If you're just so you know, if you are only looking for signals, this is not for you. If you're only looking for signals, if you want to learn, this is for you. Okay, I'm a mentor, I'm a teacher, I'm not a signal provider, right? However, I did create that group as part of my team, so they can see me trading. Pretty much, they see everything that I do. If I'm making a buy, if I'm making a sell, if I'm not trading at all, everything they do show. They do see everything pretty much there. You can see here, I do share videos, I do share content. Sometimes I do share profits, even though I don't like sharing profits too much, because that will maybe get them that will not be concentrated. They will be taking or thinking about the money, and right now is concentrated on the strategy. That's the key. So if you're interested in learning right now, just let me know. Hit me up on the Telegram group, or just go on my website, teamprofitsenglish.com. Thanks again for watching, guys. Give it a big thumbs up. It motivates me to keep posting videos like this every single day. I know you want to see these type of videos. Just give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new on the channel. More and more content like this are coming up. Thanks again. See you in the next one.